Hello and thanks for joining us here on TVB News. Hong Kong reported 15 more COVID-19 cases today and are on a dozen preliminary positive cases.
Meanwhile, another coronavirus patient died, bringing the city's death toll to 88.
A third of the newly reported cases have unknown sources of infection. Among the patients are a 73-year-old part-time taxi driver and a 29-year-old police officer who works at the police headquarters in Wan Chai.
For the taxi driver, he's a day shift driver in the morning. Except for work, he lives in Tuen Mun and may visit Yan Ngoi Mall or the market nearby. For the police officer, he did not have contact with the public during work, and he lives in Cheung Sa Wan.
The other infections with unidentifiable sources include 2 cleaners working at Pacific Place and the Hong Kong Cricket Club, respectively. As for the cases linked to previous infection clusters, another nurse who works at a private clinic in Yuen Long has tested positive for the virus. 3 more residents of the Hong Chi Lei Muk Shu hostel have been infected. So far, 17 staff members or residents of the care home for the mentally disabled have come down with the virus. Authorities also highlighted the case of a woman who is 39 weeks pregnant. She was admitted to Tuen Mun Hospital yesterday morning, claiming she had a fever. Medical staff found she was not having a fever at the time and admitted her to the general ward. Last night, she tested preliminary positive for the coronavirus. Now, 10 other patients in the ward have been sent to quarantine.
Usually, we will arrange preliminary suspected case to isolation ward or surveillance ward for further management. It's not optimal about the arrangement for admission of this case. That's why we will review the case and see if there is any improvement arrangement can be implemented soon.
Meanwhile, 5 imported cases today include arrivals from the Philippines and India.